Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making sure your phone and Strava are ready. Open the app and pick the activity type so metadata is set. Once done, enable your device GPS and any offline map packs you've downloaded. This avoids map gaps when signal drops. Now set recording preferences. Choose GPS accuracy, toggle autopause if wanted, and set a segment privacy if needed. Begin recording immediately. Don't wait until you're moving, because the app needs a satellite fix to track distance accurately. While you record, focus on maintaining a stable GPS lock. Hold your phone away from dense covers and avoid rapid location mode switching. If you need to save battery, manually pause during breaks and resume when ready. This keeps the offline file clean. Make sure background location permissions are allowed so Strava continues when the screen sleeps. When you finish, save the activity locally. Strava stores the GPS trace and photos offline until you connect to the internet and push a sync. To complete the process, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data and open Strava so saved activities automatically upload. Make sure sync is enabled in settings. If an upload stalls, force a sync from the activity menu or toggle airplane mode off then on to retrigger network negotiation. If uploads still fail, export the activity as GPX or TCX from the app or device, then import on the Strava website or another tool. One key tip: verify device time and time zone. Mismatches often block proper syncing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.